In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Microsoft 365, which includes all of your Microsoft products like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc, etc. So in order to update this, what you need to do is head over to the application that you're trying to update. So for example, I'm going to launch up Microsoft Word, but you can launch up any of the Microsoft apps such as PowerPoint or Excel, it doesn't really matter. And once you're in your document, you need to click on File from the top left-hand side of the screen. Then you need to come down to the bottom left navigation and click on this More button, and from here we're going to select Account. So now from here, click on Update Options, and if you want to be able to view all of the latest updates from the Microsoft products, then you can click on this View Updates button. If you just want to go ahead and check for updates and update your software, then click on this Update Now button like so, and that's going to quickly scan for any pending updates, and if any updates are found like this one here, then it's just going to go ahead and install this in the background, and that will update all of your Microsoft 365 products. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.